Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check your game's achievements in Epic Games Launcher. To do this, let's open our library, then find whichever game you want to check the achievements for, and keep in mind that some of the games don't have them. So when you click on the three dots next to the game and you don't see game achievements right here, that means the game doesn't have it. Now, anyway, let's click on game achievements, and inside you should see all of the achievements available, your progress, your total XP earned, and if you scroll down, you can see which achievements you've unlocked when they are in the color like that. If they are locked, then that means you need to unlock them, and you can see what's the challenge right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.